Hi, welcome to SportClips. We're here in the nation's newest SportClips store, at least for the moment, to show you our central vacuum setup once a store is completed. Starting at the front of the store, behind the counter, we have an inlet that you can plug the hose into to clean the reception area and vestibule. This is standard, and now we have between each station a locker centered under the TV, where the TV is going to be. There are 4 of these in this SportClips. We're going to take a look at this one. This is our station setup. So we have a short hose, 12.5 feet long, with metal end and an inlet to plug into. This device is called a comb stop, and it brings the inlet from the back of the locker to the front. First, for ease of plugging and unplugging the hose, but second, this acts as a debris trap to catch large objects before they go up the piping. So, serves 2 purposes. And our floor tool, we've had several different versions of floor tools that we try and see how they like them. And this seems to be the one that everybody is happiest with. This is a 12-inch plastic scallop tool. There are no bristles because that would catch the hair in the bristles. And this extra wide tool makes for easy cleanup. We do have a telescoping wand, both for operator comfort and for storage. And this stores away, and they can quickly close the locker when they're done. So we have one over there, one over there, one over there, one over there. All our piping runs overhead up above this high ceiling to the back of the store. We're in the shampoo area now, and here is where we have the equipment. So up above this drop ceiling is the motor unit. It's a dual motor parallel vacuum aid unit, special long life motors. And the pipe on the left brings the hair and dirt down from the stations. And we go into this, which is called an interceptor. This catches the hair. The vast majority of debris is caught in here. And this is a primary stage of filtration. It gives you a larger capacity, and it also protects the secondary stage from damage due to overfilling. You'll notice we do have an inlet here to connect a hose that you can clean the back, the staff area and the shampoo area with. And we have our longer hose. This is a 30-foot hose that we can use to clean the salon at night and do the corners and edges and things. We have another scallop floor tool in there with a wand, as well as a crevice tool, a dusting brush, and an upholstery tool for thorough cleaning of the space. So we have that interceptor here, and that's connected with flexible hoses so that the employees can easily take the lid off and empty that. And then the air from the interceptor, which is mostly clean air, is going to go up this pipe into our primary collection canister. This happens to be one with a disposable bag that we've started to use instead of another bagless canister, because as I said, this is receiving very little debris, so the filtration benefit of a disposable bag is not going to be a great cost because it barely ever needs to be changed. So there's a disposable bag in there. This is mounted higher than we really wanted to mount it because of clearance issues with the electrical panel. But really only need to access this maybe once or twice a year. And from there, this pipe, this lower pipe, takes the clean air up to the motors, which then exhaust the air. So anyway, that's our SportClips setup, and thank you for watching.